Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see who views your profile on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing we will do, simply access our Instagram app on mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear right over here, right? Afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this little heart icon on top, right? So here in this section you will know if somebody has liked your post or sent you a friend request, if it's a private account of yours, so you can confirm, right? But there is no way for you to know that somebody has actually like viewed your profile, because that setting doesn't exist. Only in the Instagram's function, it's just not available. You will not know. But the other thing is, you simply should go to your settings of your account and simply turn your account to private account. So whenever somebody visits your account and would want to follow you, when they send you a request, you will actually have an idea, okay, this many people have actually viewed my profile. Because if it's private, they won't be able to have access to your profile photos and any kind of activities unless they follow you. So that is the one thing you can make sure of. Otherwise, there is no other option available for that kind of activity. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.